What if the version of you that wakes up next Monday is unrecognizable to the person you are right now? Not slightly better, not a little more motivated, but forged from the ground up, in discipline, clarity, and unstoppable purpose. You don't need more time, you need 1 week of war against your old self. This is not about motivation, it's about becoming dangerous to your doubts. Inspired by ancient Stoic principles, this is your 7-day blueprint to become powerful, focused, and unshakable. If you're ready to stop negotiating with your limits, your transformation begins now. Day 1. Destroy the old self. Before you can build, you must burn. Today you declare war on the version of you that has been holding you back. The excuses, the distractions, the habits that numb your mind and poison your potential. You will not negotiate with weakness. You will not explain away mediocrity. You will face yourself completely. The Stoics believe transformation begins with truth, brutal, unfiltered self-awareness. So today, you confront the parts of you that you've been hiding from. What beliefs have kept you small? What fears have ruled your choices? What comforts have become your cage? Write them down. Every behavior, thought pattern, and excuse that no longer belongs to your future. Then destroy it. Burn it. Tear it. Crush it. Make it physical. Make it final. This isn't symbolic. This is a signal to your subconscious. The old self is dead. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." That power begins today. And it begins with letting go of the person you no longer want to be. Clean your space. Delete the apps. Block the noise. End the conversations that drain your energy. Stop playing the role you've outgrown. This is your reset. Your initiation. The pain of letting go is temporary, but the pain of staying stuck is eternal. Every time your old habits whisper, "Just this once," you answer, "That version of me no longer exists." From this moment forward, every decision must align with the identity you are building. No half measures, no turning back. This is the beginning of your rebirth. Let the destruction begin. Day 2. Physical reinvention. Your body is the first thing the world sees, and the first mirror your mind reflects through. If your posture is weak, your presence will be. If your energy is low, your discipline is too. Today, you take command of your physical self, not for appearance, but for power. The Stoics trained through hardship. Seneca practiced fasting and cold exposure to toughen the mind through the body. Marcus Aurelius trained like a soldier, because strength of character begins in how you move, how you eat, and how you endure discomfort. If you want to become unrecognizable, start with how you carry yourself. Stand tall, shoulders back, eyes forward. Walk like someone with purpose, because now you are. Cut the poison. No sugar, no alcohol, no processed food. Fuel your body with clarity. Lean proteins, whole foods, clean energy. Drink water like it's fuel for your engine, because it is. What you consume becomes who you are. Food, content, people, everything you take in shapes your identity. Now move. Train with intensity. Whether you're lifting weights, walking, stretching, boxing, push yourself to a new edge. Your body adapts when it's challenged, so challenge it. Cold showers, sweat, strain. This isn't punishment, it's discipline. It's the act of reminding your body, comfort is not the goal. Capability is. No matter your age, ability, or current condition, your body is your responsibility. If you're alive, you're able. Move, stretch, breathe, because the body in motion becomes the mind in motion. Today, you become someone who does not negotiate with weakness. Take a photo of yourself. 1 week from now, you will not recognize the person staring back. Let the body lead, and the mind will follow. Day 3. Mental upgrade. Your mind is the command center of everything you do. And if you want to become unrecognizable, it must be rewired. Most people live inside thought patterns they never chose, beliefs they inherited, fears they obey without question. But the Stoics taught, you are not your emotions. You are not your impulses. You are the master of your mind, or you are its slave. Today, you take control. Start by identifying the mental scripts that keep you small. I'm not ready. I always mess up. I could never do that. Whose voice is that? Who told you those things? Because they don't belong in the mind of the person you are becoming. Marcus Aurelius wrote, The things you think about determine the quality of your mind. Your soul takes on the color of your thoughts. So choose the color, deliberately. From this day forward, eliminate weak language. Stop saying, "I can't." Replace it with, "I will." Stop saying, "I'm trying." Say, "I'm doing." Your words are not casual. They are programming. Speak to yourself like a warrior. Journal every morning, track your thoughts, rewrite the beliefs that no longer serve you. Replace them with precision, clarity, and power. Train your mind through discomfort. Take a cold shower. Fast. Walk when you don't feel like moving. You are teaching your brain that you are in control. Not your feelings, not your cravings, not your past. Practice amor fati, love of fate. Don't resist hardship, use it. Every obstacle becomes fuel. Every delay becomes training. Every pain becomes proof that you're growing. Visualize the person you are becoming. How do they speak? How do they move? What choices do they make? Then be that person. Not someday. Today. Now. This is not about changing what you think. This is about changing who is doing the thinking. And that changes everything. Day 4. Social presence and command. How people see you is shaped by how you show up. Your energy, your posture, your voice, these are signals. And whether you know it or not, you are always broadcasting something. Today, you reclaim control of that signal. You stop fading into the background. You become someone who commands presence, not with noise, but with certainty. The Stoics believed that a person of character doesn't need to prove their worth. They embody it. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be one." So today, you stop explaining who you are and start becoming undeniable. Stand tall, breathe slow, move with intention. When you speak, eliminate filler. Speak with clarity, pause with power. People respect stillness more than volume. Your presence begins before you say a word. What energy enters the room with you? What do your eyes communicate? What do your habits signal? Authority is not about control, it's about alignment. When your body, your values, and your intentions all point in the same direction, people feel it. Train your voice. Slow it down. Drop the hesitation. Listen more, speak less, don't try to impress. Focus on expressing truth with calm strength. Study yourself in the mirror today. Watch how you carry your body. Adjust. Refine. Step into the image of someone who respects themselves and naturally earns the respect of others. Your appearance is not superficial, it is symbolic. Groom yourself. Dress with discipline, not to impress others, but to reflect your own standard. Presence is about knowing who you are and never apologizing for it. That kind of energy is magnetic. It makes people listen when you speak. It makes them notice when you walk in, not because you asked for attention, but because you became someone impossible to ignore. This is your new baseline, grounded, direct, composed, and from here, the world adjusts to you. Day 5. Relentless execution. Most people stay stuck in theory. They consume ideas, plan endlessly, wait for the perfect moment, and never move. But you're done with hesitation. Today, you become someone who executes. Not perfectly, not fearlessly, but consistently, relentlessly. The Stoics taught that action, not words, defines a life. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You should not discuss what a good man is like. You should be one." That means stop analyzing, stop waiting, do. You will feel fear, you will face resistance, but you will move anyway. Progress doesn't come from motivation, it comes from momentum, and momentum begins with a single action. So choose one thing you've been avoiding, and do it. Not tomorrow, not when it feels right. Now. Email that person, apply for that opportunity. Start the thing you've been talking about for months. No more overthinking, no more excuses. Every action you take from here forward is a vote for the person you're becoming. The more you act, the more confidence you build. And the more confidence you build, the more powerful your actions become. Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." So don't avoid the challenge. Seek it. Let your setbacks refine your focus, not weaken your drive. To strengthen your execution muscle, build systems of accountability. Set deadlines. Track your progress. Announce your goals to someone who will hold you to them. Most of all, Introduce deliberate discomfort into your life. Wake up earlier. Say yes to things that scare you. Push even when it feels unnecessary, because that's how greatness is built. The difference between an average life and a legendary one is not knowledge, it's execution. Not talking, doing. So today, you become a doer, a builder, a leader, because people who move forward win, and people who hesitate stay behind. Day 6. Build a personal system. Success isn't about feeling motivated. It's about structure. It's about consistency. It's about designing a system so effective you can't help but succeed, even on your worst days. The truth is, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. And if your systems are chaotic, inconsistent, or non-existent, your results will be too. Today that ends. You will design a daily routine that aligns with the identity you're building. You will eliminate randomness and make discipline automatic. Because motivation fades, but structure stays. Wake up at the same time. Schedule your deep work. Batch your tasks. Control your inputs. What you eat, what you consume, who you speak to, they all shape your future. Remove the distractions. Delete what doesn't serve you. Create an environment where success becomes the default. The Stoics lived by systems. Marcus Aurelius wrote daily in his journal, not just to reflect, but to align with his values. That was his system. You must create yours. Epictetus taught the dichotomy of control. Focus only on what you can influence. So do that. Build your day around your effort, your habits, your choices. Let go of everything else. Anticipate resistance. You'll be tired. You'll be tempted. You'll want to fall back into comfort. But if your system is strong, you'll move forward anyway. That's what separates winners from wishers. Not more talent, not better luck, just better systems. Make every part of your day intentional. Protect your time like it's your most valuable resource, because it is. When you build a system, you remove the need for constant decision-making. You don't ask, should I work out today? You just do it, because it's part of the system. Start small if you must, but start now. Create checklists, set reminders, track your progress. Success becomes inevitable when you eliminate the option to fail. That's the power of systems. And today, you begin building yours. Day 7. Solidify your new identity. You've burned the past. You've rebuilt your body. You've rewired your mind. You've executed without hesitation. You've built the systems. Now, you must become the person all of this was building toward. Because transformation isn't complete until it becomes identity. And identity isn't what you think, it's what you live. Every action from this point forward is a vote for who you are becoming. There is no neutral ground. You're either reinforcing the new self or falling back into the old one. So today you commit, fully, permanently, irreversibly. Write down who you are now, not who you want to be. Who you are. Describe it. Define it. Claim it. This is your new self-concept, and it must be reinforced every day. Visualize it in the morning. Align your actions with it during the day. Reflect on it at night. The mind will try to pull you back to familiarity. Don't let it. Familiarity is not your friend. Comfort is not your goal. Growth is. Surround yourself with people who reflect your evolution, not your past. Protect your space. Clean your environment. Eliminate voices, influences, and patterns that pull you backward. This is not a phase. It's not a motivation spike. This is a lifestyle, a new standard, a new operating system. From this moment on, everything changes, permanently. Because you didn't just change what you do, you changed who you are. And that's the ultimate transformation. 1 week ago, you were one version of yourself. Today, you are something entirely different. More focused, more disciplined, more aligned. You are no longer someone trying to change. You are someone who has changed, and the world will respond accordingly. So now, live it, walk like it, think like it, act like it. Every single day, this is your new identity, and it's only the beginning.